Good evening, Setsuko, John and Sham. Here a little demo of FranklySpeeching version 2. The main ideas are that I would like the application to support role confirmation, and the second main idea is that I would like to make life easier for the Toastmaster of the evening and for regular members. What you see is the new home page, and you will probably notice that this part has changed. That's correct. You see that the color codes have been introduced, so the user is requested to respond to everything in red. You see RSVP is in red, so I'm requested to RSVP. So if I would do that and I click yes, I will attend, I click RSVP, then you see, and this is also new, that my RSVP response appears right under the invitation. So the invitation says regular meeting 94 with a date, and here you can see that I RSVP'd yes. Now if my situation changes, then I can change this to no and say sorry. And here you can see it now, it is sorry. And to see this, I can go to the agenda in 94 and RSVP, and here you see indeed sorry that appears. So I can RSVP and change my RSVP directly on the home page. Another thing that you might notice is that also here it says roles assigned to you, and here you can see that my role for meeting 94 is general evaluator. Yes, so I can see immediately on the home page without going anywhere, just going typing in FranklySpeeching.com in my browser. I can see immediately I can RSVP, and I can see the roles that have been assigned to me without navigating to the agenda, without having to watch. So theoretically the regular member never has to leave the home page other than RSVPing. Yes, so that's I think that's an improvement. Another thing that you might notice, that here you see RSVP and roles assigned to you. So you see here that I'm Toastmaster of the evening for meeting 95. First I will have to RSVP. So I RSVP, I say I will attend, yes, and you see here it appears, and then I can confirm my role, and I say yes, I confirm, and okay, now all the red buttons are gone and I've done what I have to do. So I think this makes life for the regular members who are not Toastmaster evening a lot easier. Now let's have a look at the role of Toastmaster of the evening. I go to the agenda of meeting 95. And here you can see this didn't really change, but here you can see that we also have some color codes. Let me explain. So for example, within this row I can immediately see who will not attend because the color is red. So that's very easy for the Toastmaster of the evening. If a member replies no, I can immediately say see that he or she will not attend. The other members did reply yes, and you see in this case that my name is also green. What does that mean? That means that I have been at least one role has been assigned to me already. So for example, if I would assign Sham the role of general evaluator, Sham, I changed the name here, general evaluator, I click edit, then you see that his name also turns green. Yes, just like my name. So you can see immediately who has been assigned and who has not been assigned yet. So that's also easier for the Toastmaster of the evening. And furthermore, what you can see here is that I made a comment here. So I confirmed my role, yes. And everybody can do that. So if I go back to the home page and I confirmed the role here, I add some text here, click reply, and I go to the agenda, then you can see this here. But as Toastmaster of the evening, I could also, for example, receive a telephone call from Sham and stating that he accepts yes, and it is confirmed. So members can confirm, and if members insist to contact the Toastmaster of the evening, the Toastmaster of the evening can also easily assign. So in this case, for example, he will select a member, Takigawa-san, and click edit, and you see here the name turns orange. That means he did not, it's orange because it's danger, he did not respond yet. So this name is orange, and if I would assign that's a bit okay, this role here, then it turns red because she responded no. So the Toastmaster evening can immediately see, oh, something wrong here. I assigned somebody who withdrew. So leading up to the meeting, just have to open the agenda and see if there's any red or orange names left for confirmation. Okay, so how does this work for the administrator, for Setsuko in this case? Setsuko, and this is meeting 95. If we go to meeting 95, and here we see 95. If I open this meeting, that you will see that confirm roles here is marked. Yep. So if I unmark this and I click edit, a number of things change. First of all, on the home page, you remember that I edited here, so the button changes. So I can only see the role that has been assigned to me. I can no longer edit it because it's no longer necessary to confirm the role that I take. If I go to the agenda, also you notice that this column has disappeared because no longer can I I no longer can confirm or not confirm. And if I open this here, then also confirmation yes no has disappeared. So it's very easy with a click of this with a simple click, edit here, and I activate it again, edit, and I go to the agenda. Then again the column here yes no has disappeared. If I change, for example, I reassign this role because Sham indicates that he would prefer to be a prepared speaker, for example, and I assign this role instead to Tamami-san, I click yes, then the confirmation disappears, because if I reassign a member, then the new member needs to confirm. So everything here, the yes or no plus comment, will disappear. So these are the changes, and what I would like to ask you is, how do you like the changes? What ideas do you have to improve it? And do you think that we should adopt it? Do you think it will make life easier for the Pioneer members? So please let me know, send me an email, and looking forward to your feedback. By the way, prior to introducing this, I will organize a training for all Pioneer members, so don't worry about that. So that's it. Thank you for your attention and looking forward for your responses.